Your doors are more than just entryways. They play a key role in your home's comfort, security, and curb appeal. Over time, however, even the most durable doors begin to show signs of wear. For homeowners in Orange Park, Florida's humid climate and frequent storms can accelerate this process, making timely replacement even more important. If you've been wondering whether it's time for a new door installation, here are the top signs to look for. Drafts or uneven temperatures. If you feel a breeze coming through the edges of your doors, or if certain rooms are harder to keep cool in the summer or warm in the winter, it's a clear indicator your door is no longer sealing properly. Drafty doors not only reduce comfort but also increase your energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to regulate indoor temperatures. A new, well-insulated door can eliminate drafts and improve efficiency. Visible damage or warping. Florida's humid climate can cause wood doors to swell, warp, or crack over time. Steel doors may rust, and fiberglass models can fade or become brittle with age. If your Orange Park home's doors show visible damage, such as cracks, dents, peeling paint, or rotting wood, it's more than a cosmetic issue. These flaws compromise security and energy efficiency, making replacement the best option. Difficulty opening or closing a door that sticks, squeaks, or is difficult to lock is not only inconvenient but also a potential safety concern. This often occurs when doors warp or when frames shift due to moisture or settling foundations. Professional installation ensures that your new door is aligned properly, operates smoothly, and provides reliable security for your family. Rising energy bills. If your energy costs seem higher than usual, outdated doors may be part of the problem. Old or poorly insulated doors allow hot air to seep in during Orange Park's sweltering summers and let warm air escape during cooler months. Energy-efficient doors with insulated cores and weather stripping help reduce strain on your cooling and heating systems, cutting costs over time. Outdated styles. Sometimes the need for a new door isn't about function but aesthetics. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks dated, faded, or mismatched with your home's style, it can drag down your curb appeal. Installing a new, modern design is an easy way to refresh your Orange Park home's exterior and make a strong first impression. Poor security features. Older doors may not be equipped with today's security features, such as reinforced frames, advanced locks, or impact-resistant materials. A new door can significantly improve your home's safety, giving you greater peace of mind. For Orange Park homeowners, where storms and break-ins are both concerns, a stronger, professionally installed door is a smart investment. Water or moisture leaks. If you notice water stains, mold, or moisture collecting near the base of your doors, this is a major red flag. Over time, water intrusion can damage flooring, walls, and even your home's foundation. A new door installation with proper sealing will protect your home against moisture damage, keeping it dry and secure. Final thoughts. Your doors should provide security, comfort, and style. If you're noticing drafts, damage, or difficulty operating your doors, it may be time to consider a replacement. For Orange Park homeowners, investing in a new door installation not only improves day-to-day comfort but also enhances curb appeal and boosts property value. With professional installation, you'll enjoy peace of mind knowing your new doors are built to withstand the Florida climate, protect your home, and provide a beautiful, welcoming look for years to come.